Like many businesses, wholesale companies are dependent on a balanced interaction of supply and demand. A distribution company needs to plan, order, store, and distribute inventory while collecting cash and managing payments. Many wholesalers struggle with processes based around small business accounting systems, supplemented by manual activity and a multitude of paper forms. These systems are prone to errors and lack reporting while requiring duplication of effort, which make operations labor-intensive, increase inefficiency and operational costs. The multitude of alternative available systems present businesses with difficult choices. But which do they choose? Do they upgrade existing systems in the hope that ongoing limitations may have been addressed? Do they look to implement new processes and systems with a view to the future? There's little doubt that with the right system and processes, there's a genuine opportunity to improve performance, customer experience, and reduce costs. Not only that, the right system can bring visibility to the entire wholesale process and help management make informed business decisions. Get it wrong, and your business can lose its competitive edge and market share. Here at AVT, we help wholesale, distribution, and manufacturing companies roll out a fully integrated cloud solution built on the NetSuite Cloud ERP platform, the leading and most deployed cloud ERP in the world. With AVT and NetSuite, you can future-proof your business into one integrated cloud that is completely managed and provide a 360-degree view of your business on your fingertips. With AVT and NetSuite solution, you can provide key decision makers and users with real-time information on the key aspects of your business. Manage inventory and purchasing controls across your business so you better manage cash and inventory. Track and ship orders using multiple warehouses and carriers and increase your order processing capacity. Forecast demand and manage supply to manage better cash flow. Manage financials and company transactions in multiple currencies and across multiple entities and consolidate. Manage sales across multiple warehouses, retail stores, and online e-commerce. Manage and track all customer interactions in a single system to grow and scale your business. AVT, with over 500 plus business improvement and ERP implementation projects, AVT's proven agile ERP delivery methodology and full suite of AVT NetSuite wholesale distribution manufacturing modules and extensions. Our expert consultants, trainers, and developers can help you design, configure, and implement a fully integrated cloud ERP solution for your business in a matter of weeks. Call us to start your cloud ERP evaluation and find out more today.